Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restart Redmi 15C. Alright, so let's begin. We have two methods how we can restart this device, and let me show you both of them. So the first and the most common method is a simple reboot using the power menu. This method is recommended when the phone works normally, basically when it's responsive, and nothing is wrong with it. So to do it, we need to launch the power menu. We do it by clicking the power button and the volume up button. Just like that. And now all you need to do is to simply grab this white ball and put it into the reboot. Now simply release your finger, and then your device will be turned off. After a few seconds it will be turned on again, and you need to simply wait until it will be responsive. But the second method, just like I have said, is called the forced restart, and it's recommended, for example, when the phone is lagged and when it's not working properly. And to do it, we need to hold the power button and volume up button until the device is turned off. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Simply hold both of the buttons. Okay, now we can release our fingers, and now within a second our device will be automatically turned on again, and it will be ready to use. As you can see already, the Xiaomi logo appeared on the screen. Alright, that's all on this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.